If you don't get the IELTS score you need, there's no limit to how many times you can take the IELTS test. You can take the test as many times as you want, but there are 3 things that you should think about before retaking. The first thing is the test fees. Obviously, each attempt costs money, so it's best to prepare well before retaking it. The second thing is there's no score replacement. So that means you can't combine scores from different tests. You get a new full set of scores each time. And finally, you need to think about your improvement strategy. How are you going to improve? If you didn't get the score you wanted, you need to identify your weak areas and practice and focus on those areas before you book another test. So yes, you can take the IELTS test as many times as you want, but instead of just retaking it, make sure you have a plan and actually improve first. Just doing the test again and again and again is unlikely to get you the band score that you need. If you do need help preparing, make sure to check out our Band 7 preparation course in the description, because it's going to teach you everything you need to know to get a Band 7 or even higher in IELTS. And let me know in the comments below, how many times have you taken IELTS?